English for beginner. Telling daily activities. My sister's activities. While reading and listening, pay attention to the verb used on the text.
My sister Tia. Tia is my sister. She is a student. She is in the 6th grade. She always gets up early. She gets up at 4 o'clock. After that she reads her lesson book. She is very diligent. At 5 o'clock, she helps my mother in the kitchen. Then she takes a bath. After she gets dressed, she has breakfast together with our family. She goes to school by bicycle at 6:30. Her school starts at 7 o'clock. My sister always comes early, and she never comes late. She goes home at 12:30. After school she has lunch and does her homework. Then she takes a nap. She helps my mum to sweep the floor every afternoon. In the evening she studies again after she has dinner. She seldom watches television. She sleeps at 9 o'clock.
Note: use verb 1s or verb 1 plus es when you want to tell one's daily activities. Don't forget: like, subscribe, and share.